Action! Yeah, that would be way easier if you took that off.
That would be what?
Way easier. Can I poke him?
Yeah.
He's going to have so much fun with us. Look at this little toy. Does he ever play with these?
Yeah.
He does. Does he jingle the bell that's broken? Now he's got nowhere to hide. Ah, feathers.
I don't know where he was going.
With experience and feathers.
Why does he keep jumping from place to place?
Just let him chill for a second and then get him.
Get out!
One more jab and it's a federal crime. Is he gonna eat it? He's trying to eat it.
He's a nibbler.
Nibbler? Look at his tongue. It's like purple.
Ew.
Ew, oh, he has such a tiny mouth. He's so cute. Look at his pretty tail. I touched it. He's like, what is that? I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna go touch the butt. He's got a stick in there. You want it out?
I wanted to get out. You set it up on the...
We'll catch him.
I'd be like, maybe I can cut him up.
He might go on that balloon wire thing.
Go. This way!
Don't you like... No, it's like the... You want to be filmed? Drumsticks. Has he ever... Why is he upside down? That scared me so much. He's like hanging on by one foot. He's like a bat. Rat bird.
So funny because it should be crazy.
He looks dead.
It's just there. Anything to do?
No.
But I like it.
But I like it. We need better light it in here.
No fan.
Okay.
so nice.
He sounds like a hummingbird. Or like a bird.
He's gonna save you, buddy.
Hey there, neighbor. Can I like... He's like a bat. Rat bird.
I think I'm turning into a bat.
You got bit. I mean, you could be turning it into one. Bird, Lindsay. Ow, ow. Nemo's gonna go touch the butt. That's not the butt. He's sitting on the chair. Sit. Let's zoom in on him.
I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be right back.
Don't leave me in here. I shall film this extraordinary moment. Can I poke it? That's my ringer. I was turning it on vibrate. You scared me, so I screamed. You were taking off by himself. We have set the bait. Let's just sit and watch and sit and watch and sit and watch and sit and watch.
I wanted to fly, but I'm too scared.
Me too.
I'm just like this, and he doesn't pick my eye out.
I know. But I don't think he'll attack you.
There he goes. You scared me.
Go stalk your prey. Rocks it like a puma. He's trembling. I'm scared. I'm scared he's gonna fly and like I'll die. What's his name? Lorenzo. He doesn't want the food, Lindsay.
He's like shaking.
Because he's cold.
How am I going to put him back in?
You broke it.
Broke the glass. I don't know how we got it in last time.
Capture him, stuff him in there.
We should get out the box. Why is it shaking? It better not poop.
Clean up on aisle the ground. Ah! Da-na.